When you are building a SaaS product or web app that depends on speed, latency, and smooth global delivery, your content delivery network becomes part of your core experience. Two names come up often for performance-driven engineering teams, Fastly and CloudFront. Both are strong in different ways, but the way they work and how much control they give you can change the feel of your development workflow. Fastly is known for being fast in a very real sense. Its edge network is designed to respond and update quickly, which matters when your app changes often. One of Fastly's biggest standout qualities is how fast its configuration updates propagate across the network. Developers can push changes almost instantly, test, and iterate without waiting out long deployment windows. It gives you fine-grained control over caching logic using its edge scripting language. This allows you to decide exactly how assets load, how requests are handled, and what gets cached at the edge. If your team likes control and experimentation, Fastly tends to feel powerful. On the performance side, Fastly focuses heavily on low latency. It is popular among platforms that deal with heavy dynamic content, streaming, gaming, real-time dashboards, and APIs. The network is optimized for situations where speed is not just nice to have, but necessary. CloudFront, on the other hand, is integrated deeply into the Amazon Web Services environment. If your product lives inside Amazon's cloud tools, CloudFront can slide into your stack with almost no friction. You connect it to Amazon Storage, Amazon Compute Services, and Amazon Security Tools. Once it is set up, everything talks to each other smoothly. CloudFront is reliable, globally distributed, and has strong security layers available through services like the Amazon Firewall and identity controls. But the configuration experience can feel heavier. Changes can take longer to propagate, and the logic for caching or request handling can be more complex to tune. For teams that move fast, that delay can feel like a slowdown. Where CloudFront shines most is scale and consistency. Its network is huge, and it has direct proximity to many cloud workloads that already live inside Amazon's data centers. Fastly is ideal when performance control and developer agility are priorities. CloudFront is ideal when integration with Amazon Web Services and consistent global scaling are the focus. Both are reliable CDNs. The right choice depends on how your team works and where your infrastructure lives. If you want fast iteration and precise control at the edge, go with Fastly. If you want deeply integrated stability across Amazon services, go with CloudFront. Either way, your users get a faster, smoother experience, and that is what matters most.